Hi, I'm Lorna from wearablyweird.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to lace shoes from the very bottom all the way to the top in a standard style. If you're just here to learn how to tie a lacing bow, I'll put a timestamp down in the description for you. Start by taking your laces and threading each lace end down into the very bottom eyelets here from above. There's one, and the other one in the very bottom eyelet from above, not underneath. Pull that through until we have a little bar shape here. Then what you want to do is pull your laces up and make sure they're of even length before we carry on, and just adjust them slightly. You're more than welcome to keep pausing the video or put it on half speed if you'd like to follow along very slowly. It's totally up to you. Then we're going to start with this lace and we're going to bring it over the shoe tongue and down into the second eyelet up from the bottom on this side. So just watch me do it. Like that. Then we're going to pop it out the way and we're going to swap to this lace. Do the exact same, bring it over the shoe tongue and down into the second eyelet up from the bottom on this side this time. Great. Now you might want to pause here, catch up, or double check that you've got exactly the same result as I have. And then we're going to move on. We're going to keep a hold of this lace again, bring it over the shoe tongue, down into the next eyelet that's available on this side, pull it through, pop it out the way, take this one, make sure there are no twists or creases, and do the same on the other side. Then we're going to stick with this one again, bring it over the shoe tongue and down into the next eyelet from above, just like we've been doing. Great, pop it out the way, swap to the other one, over the shoe tongue and down into the next eyelet on this side. Now your shoes might have more or less eyelets than I do. Just keep going with the exact same pattern, but when you come to your very top eyelet, stop there and I'll show you what to do. So we're going to carry on with this one more time, over the shoe tongue, down to the next eyelet available, swap to the other lace, exactly the same thing, just on the other side. And now on my pair of shoes, we've reached the very top eyelet. So what we're going to do this time, keep hold of this lace on this side, bring it over the shoe tongue, and we're going to go up into the eyelet from underneath this time. And what this will do is make it way easier for you to tie your lace bow. Then we'll swap back to the other lace, bring it over the shoe tongue and up into this eyelet from underneath on this side, just the same, and pull it there. Now at this point you can adjust your pattern just to make sure it's all looking nice, tighten it up, whatever you like. And then we're going to tie a lace bow. To tie a lace bow, cross your two laces over, just like this, scoot one under, pull it tight, pinch this lace into a little loop here, take this lace, wrap it around it, and you'll see where I'm wiggling my finger here, there's a hole. You want to push this lace through it, just like this, pinch it on the other side, and pull that tight and we'll have a lace bow. If you'd like a more in-depth tutorial on how to tie a lace bow over and over again, I'll have a video that I'll put up here for you so you can practice. Repeat the pattern on your other shoe and you'll have an awesome pair of standard lace shoes. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people. Thanks guys!